Hi guys, welcome to Tiptoe's 19th birthday. I made him a mini cake this morning so I could surprise him. Tiptoe needed his big birthday hat before taking his first bite as a 19-year-old. I've spent 18 years with him and each year he just gets cuter and cuter. As you can see, Tiptoe had no problem diving face first into his watermelon cake. I love hand feeding him because I feel like it's a perfect time for us to connect. After finishing his cake, he ran over for his very last birthday berry. I wanted to thank you guys for all of your love and support for Tiptoe. I hope that he can put a smile on your face. I went to check on him a few hours later and he was sprawled out and relaxing. I hope you had a good birthday, Tiptoe.